The real estate industry is constantly changing. I get a lot of questions about real estate and how to become a real estate agent. This video is about real estate licensing. If you've been thinking about how to get your real estate license, I will tell you the steps you need to take and the courses required. As a bonus, I will tell you about the roles and responsibilities of the Texas Real Estate Commission. There are 5 things you need to do to get your real estate sales license. Number 1, you will need to complete 6 courses or 180 hours of approved qualifying real estate courses. Number 2, you will submit your state license application for review. Number 3, you will complete a background check and mandatory fingerprinting. Number 4, you will schedule, take, and pass the exam. Number 5, after passing your exam, you will choose a sponsoring broker. The Texas Real Estate Commission regulates licensing for real estate brokers and sales agents, real estate inspectors, real estate appraisers, education providers, residential service companies, timeshare developers, and easement or right-of-way agents. The Commission issues real estate licenses, processes license renewals, and enforces real estate laws and regulations. In terms of becoming licensed, there are 6 30-hour real estate qualifying education courses that are required by the Commission for licensing. These courses are Principles of Real Estate 1, Principles of Real Estate 2, Law of Agency, Law of Contracts, Real Estate Finance, Promulgated Contract Forms. And help but wonder what you will study when you take real estate courses. Let me give you an idea of what to expect when you enroll in the required courses. When you take Principles of Real Estate 1, you will get a feel of the day-to-day task of a real estate agent. You will study real estate law, licensing requirements, how titles are conveyed, the difference between personal and real property, legal descriptions, fair housing, the Texas Real Estate License Act, and other ethical standards license holders are responsible for. Principles of Real Estate 2 takes a deep dive into review of title conveyances, legal descriptions, deeds, encumbrances, liens, finance, and regulations. You will also study closing procedures and real estate math. Ethical standards, community reinvestment, and legal issues like housing discrimination are discussed as well. The study of law of agency allows you to understand various types of principal-agent relationships in real estate transactions. Students learn fiduciary duties, agency disclosure, termination of agent authority, employment law, and deceptive trade practices. Law of contracts covers proper offer and acceptance, consideration, and intent in real estate transactions. Each element of a legally binding contract is discussed, like real property ownership rights, offer and acceptance, statute of frauds, specific performance, breach of contract, and unauthorized practice of law. When you take real estate finance, you learn the primary and secondary money markets. You will understand mortgage loan programs, how loan applications are processed, and closing procedures to convey title. You will also learn about municipal bonds and various legislation like the Equal Credit Opportunity Act and the Community Reinvestment Act. Promulgated contract forms is your chance to practice what you learn by completing contract forms based on case studies. You will study real estate contracts, contract forms, addenda, and title conveyance to hone your skills. You will study the purpose and use of various forms by selecting the correct documents to meet requirements based on each case study. By completing and passing these 6 required courses, you can apply for a real estate license. If you meet all Texas Real Estate Commission requirements, you can take the real estate license exam. Higher education institutions may offer a bachelor's degree or a master's program in real estate. Community colleges offer qualifying courses required for licensing, where these credits may lead to an associate's degree. Proprietary schools typically offer qualifying education courses as well as continuing education programs. Course scheduling ranges 5 to 8 weeks. Many courses are offered in person and online. In terms of careers, the real estate industry is vast and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. I hope this is useful information you can share. Before you leave, like, comment, or subscribe to know when I add more videos. Make it a great day.